going to play a little game that Dan is not on fire and AmazingPhil created. This is Brittany and I'm Catherine. And it is called the Cat Drawing Face Game. That's not the real title. I don't know what it's actually called, but we're gonna do it because we're bored. Yeah, thanks, that helps a lot.
Ow!
Ooh, pulled her hair. Pulled her hair. My bad. Sorry, bro. Okay, sorry, I gotta make sure you can't see. Come to the sound of my voice. Come towards the sound of my voice. Come towards the sound of my... Here, maybe...
Where's your face?
Can you see?
Not at all!
Final product. What does America think? Do I look like a cat? Does it look like there's a cat on my face? What the f is that?
Well, I drew the head here, but then I lost track because she confused me and everything. And then it was supposed to be over here, but I went over here. And then these are supposed to be the ears up here, and like whiskers. Oh my god, the face is shifted over here. And then the body is down here, and then that's the tail. Over here, that's the tail.
I never realized how big my face is of a palette.
That might help just a bit.
That went in your mouth! Oh my god. Says meow. Oh my god, I thought that was way farther over. This says meow. That's actually a fairly nice cat. So there's the head. Here's its face. And then here's some whiskers. Here's the overall body. The tail with, I guess, some poop. And I guess these are the legs. That's a leg and that's a leg. And then this and this are legs. And these are spots. It's a spotted cat. Get down, do what Well, as enjoyable as that was, I really would like to go wash my face.
Me too.
Okay.